Do you work a 9 to 5? Do you have very limited vacation days? Would you like to know how you can travel more with the same limited time that you have? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to do that. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Chu here from Choose to Explore, where I help you see the world and save $1. Today's the next rendition of our Travel Tip Tuesday series, where I'll be talking about how you can work a 9 to 5 and travel more using the time that you have. So the first thing that you need to know are how many days of paid time off do you get a year? According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average number of PTO that is given are 10 days for someone that worked more than 1 year for a company. So for the sake of this video, we'll say you get 10 vacation days per year. And this is an asterisk for Americans because we typically only have about 10 days of vacation. But can you believe in places like Spain and Germany, they offer around 35 days of paid time off per year. Now it's really important to know your paid leave because you don't want to go into the negative and not get paid for your vacation. You want to maximize what the company gives you. Step number 2 are figuring out what holidays are observed by your company. So what I do is I go to my Apple Calendar and I just mark off the days that my company observes for those holidays. In the year of 2021, we're really fortunate because a lot of these holidays are Thursdays, Fridays, and Mondays. And you really want to maximize the days that your company already gives you so you can go on longer breaks using less vacation days. So for example, Memorial Day is typically on a Monday. What that means is you can take off the week before Friday or the Tuesday and use one vacation day and have a 4-day trip. Or if you have 10 vacation days like we said, you can do 2 days of vacation day and have a 5-day trip. Typically coming back that vacation day will be a little bit more expensive. So if you can budget another day for a trip using the paid time off that your company gives you, you can get a cheaper flight the day after than flying on that vacation day. An even greater example of how you can finesse these days are, for example, this year with Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve. Christmas Eve is Friday the 24th of 2021, and New Year's Eve is Friday, December 31st, 2021. So if you use 4 days between those two Fridays, meaning Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you can finesse your way to using 4 days of vacation days for a 10-day trip. Let me say that again, 4 days for a 10-day vacation trip. And this is why it's imperative to have the calendar from the beginning of the year. I typically make my leave requests in the beginning of the year. A lot of people are going to look at the calendar and try to request these time off. If you use your calendar and observe these holidays and breaks, and you put your time in January versus everybody else who takes maybe in the summer or a different day, you might get priority because you requested it way before everybody else. Which benefits me because when they see my request, they know that mine is the first and they'll consider that when I put it in. And when you have those dates and times beforehand, using a flight resource such as Google Flights or Skyscanner can be really resourceful for you. It really will allow you to get cheap flights and cheap stays throughout any time of the year. Linked above, you'll see a video that I made about using Skyscanner to save money on flights and accommodations, as well as coronavirus travel resources. If you have a 9 to 5, you want to travel the world, this is a great way to do it and maximize your time. Doing it like this will allow you to take several short trips throughout the year, or allow you the opportunity for longer trips if that's what you'd like, for you to stay more prepared, to be more resourceful, and get priority with your job with your request. And thank you guys so much for checking out my Travel Tip Tuesday. Please be sure to check some of my other videos in this series where I show you guys how you can see the world and save $1. Thank you guys so much. I'm out.